Hi students, application of matrices and determinants, exercise 1.3, second sum. If A equal to 3 by 3 matrix given and B equal to another 3 by 3 matrix, find the products AB and BA and hence solve the system of equations x plus y plus 2z equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 2. First find AB. Now A matrices, B matrices. Now multiply using row by column method. You know, minus 5 plus 3 plus 6. Next, first row, second column, multiply this. Next, first row, third column, multiply this. Next, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, multiply. Next, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. And simplify, we get 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Now 4 taken common. Now 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So it is a identity matrix, 3 by 3 identity matrix, then 4I3. And next we want to find BA. Similarly, using the same method, BA matrix, B matrix, A matrix, again same multiplication method, we get 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Now taken for common, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here also 4I3. AB equal to BA equal to 4I3. AB equal to BA equal to 4I3. Now the multiplication 4 go to that side, divide 4. Now write with A. 1 by 4 A B. Here also B 1 by 4 A equal to I3. Now the B go to that side, B inverse. B inverse I3 equal to B inverse. B inverse I3 equal to multiplication. B inverse I3 equal to B inverse. Therefore, B inverse equal to 1 by 4A. Now, the matrix form of the system is, that is 3 equations given. 3 equations given. Here matrix inversion method, using matrix inversion method, first write in matrix form. Matrix form 1 1 2, 1 1 2, 3 2 1, 2 1 3, 1 1 2, 3 2 1, 2 1 3, unknowns x y z, the constant 1 7 2. Now see that one, B equal to 1 1 2, 3 2 1, 2 1 3. Okay, now that matrix equal to B. That matrix equal to B x y z 1 7 2. Now B go to the side, B inverse x y z equal to, see that one, B inverse equal to, already we have found 1 by 4A. B inverse equal to 1 by 4A using 1 1 7 2. Now write A matrix. A matrix, right in this place. Okay, now multiply using row by column, minus 5 plus 7 plus 6. Here 7 plus 7 minus 10. 1 minus 7 plus 2. Simplify, we get 8 4 minus 4. Divided by each and every term divided by 4. Cancel. Here 2, here 1, here minus 1. Now x y z equal to 2 1 minus 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 1, z equal to minus 1. You get the answer. And see the third sum. A man is appointed in a job with monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. If the salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service, and 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service. Find his starting salary and his annual income. Use matrix inversion method to solve the problem. I will take starting salary equal to x and annual increment equal to y. See that one? Let x be the monthly salary and y be the fixed annual increment. Fixed annual increment. See that one? Here his salary was 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service. That means first month salary, that is I will take 1x. After 3 years of service means increment for 3 years 3y. X plus 3y equal to 19,800. And the second equation, 23,400 per month at the end of the first month. First month means x. After 9 years of service, that is 9y. X plus 9y equal to 23,400. The matrix form of the system is AX equal to B. Now write in matrix form. A equal to 1, 3, 1, 9. X equal to unknowns xy. B equal to the constant 19,800, 23,400. The solution is x equal to A inverse B. First we want to find A inverse. A inverse means first find mod A. Mod A means 9 minus 3, 6 not equal to 0. Adj means change the numbers and change the sign. Change the numbers, change the sign. Directly we have to find. A inverse equal to 1 by mod A into adj formula. So A inverse equal to 1 by mod A value 6. Adj value 9 minus 3 minus 1, 1. X equal to A inverse B. The solution is x equal to A inverse B. By x equal to the unknowns xy. A inverse equal to, write the value. B equal to 19,800, 23,400. Now using matrix multiplication method, multiply 9 into 19,800 equal to 1,78,200 minus 3 into 23,400 equal to 70,200. And the second row column minus 1 into 19,800 minus 19,800 plus 23,400. And simplify, we get 1,08,000, here 3,600. Now divided by 6. Divided by 6, we get 18,000, here we get 600. X equal to 18,000, Y equal to 600. That means monthly salary is rupees 18,000. The annual increment is rupees 600. Get the answer. See the fourth sum. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days, while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Same work jointly in 4 days. Find the time taken by one man alone and that of one woman alone to finish the same work by using matrix inversion method. Matrix inversion method. The men work sum, I will take 1 day work done by men equal to 1 by x. 1 day work done by woman equal to 1 by y. Here 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days. Write in equation 4 by x. 4 men means 4 by x. 4 women means 4 by y equal to 3 days. 3 days means 1 by 3. And the second equation, 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. That is 2 men means 2 by x plus 5 women 5 by y equal to 4 days means 1 by 4. I will take 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. Now write this equation. 4a plus 4b equal to 1 by 3. 2a plus 5b equal to 1 by 4. Now write in the matrix form. The matrix form of the system is ax equal to b. A equal to 4, 4, 2, 5. X equal to here unknowns ab. A, b. B equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 4. The solution is x equal to a inverse b. First we want to find a inverse. A inverse means first mod a. Mod a means 20 minus 8 equal to 12, not equal to 0. Next adj. Adj means change the numbers, change the sign. A inverse equal to 1 by mod a into adj. Mod a value 1 by 12. Mod a value 12. That is 1 by 12 adj value. That is the solution is x equal to a inverse b. X equal to here unknown ab. A inverse value right. B value 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Now multiply using row by column. 5 into 1 by 3, 5 by 3 minus 4 by 4. Here second row. Minus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 4. Cancel 1. 5 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 plus 1. Taking LCM. 5 minus 3 by 3 minus 2 plus 3 by 3. Cancel. We get 2 by 3. Here 1 by 3. Now multiply it by 1 by 12. 2 by 3 into 1 by 12 equal to 1 by 6. And cancel. Here 1 by 18. Here 1 by 36. That is a equal to 1 by 18. A equal to 1 by 18 means already a equal to 1 by x we take. That is x equal to 1 by a. Equal to take reciprocal 18. B equal to 1 by 36. That is y equal to 1 by b. Take reciprocal 36. Time taken by one man. Time taken by one man alone to finish the work in 18 days. Time taken by one woman alone to finish the work in 36 days. Get the answer. See the next sum. The prices of three commodities A, B, C are rupees X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z is the price of the commodities A, B, C. A person P purchases 4 units of B and sells 2 units of A and 5 units of C. Person Q purchases 2 units of C and sells 3 units of A and 1 unit of B. Person R purchases 1 unit of A and sells 3 unit of B and 1 unit of C. In the process, P, Q and R earns rupees 15,000, rupees 1,000 and rupees 4,000. Find the prices per unit of A, B, C. Use matrix inversion method. See that one. Given X, Y, Z are the prices of the three commodities of A, B, C. See the sum properly. Now sells 2 units. Sells means they sells the commodity means PQR earns the money. PQR earns the money. Then sells mean put the plus sign. Put the plus sign. Purchases. They purchases the commodity means gets the commodity but they didn't earn. Didn't earn. Purchases means put the minus sign. Purchases means put the minus signs. Okay. Now see that one. A. 2 units of A sells. 2 units of sells means 2x plus 2x. And B. 4 units of B purchase. Purchase means minus. Minus 4y. Minus 4y. And see that one. 5 units of C sells. Plus 5z equal to rupees P 15,000. 15,000. Next Q. purchases 2 units of C. Purchases 2 units of C means minus 2Z. Sells 3 units of A and 1 unit of B. அப்போ 3x plus y. அப்போ 3x plus y minus 2z equal to 1000. Next, R purchases 1 unit of A. Purchases means minus. Minus x. Here sells 3y. Here 1 unit of C, that is z. அப்போ minus x plus 3y plus z equal to 4000. Now, write in matrix form Ax equal to B. A equal to matrix form 2 minus 4 5, 3 1 minus 2, minus 1 3 1. X equal to unknowns x y z. B equal to 15,000 1000 4000. The solution is x equal to A inverse B. A inverse means first to find mod A. Mod A means now expand using first row 2 into 1, here minus, formula minus, plus 6. Next here take plus 4, leave this 3, here plus 2, formula minus, minus 2. Here plus 5, leave this 9, plus 1, 10. That is 2 into 7, 4 into 1, 5 into 10. Simplify, that is value equal to 68. Next, adj means first we want to find cofactor. Cofactor of A. You know this determinant value. You know this determinant value. Simplify, we get cofactor of A. Adj means transpose of the cofactor. Transpose of the cofactor, row change to column, row change to column, row change to column. We get adj. A inverse equal to 1 by mod A into adj. Mod A value 68. That is 1 by 68 adj. X equal to A inverse B. X equal to the unknowns x, y, z. A inverse value, right? B value 15,000, 1,000, 400, 4,000. Now multiply row by column. Simplify, 7 into 15,000, 1 lakh 5,000, plus 19 into 1,000, 19,000, 3 into 4,000, 12,000. Similarly, multiply minus 15,000, here plus 7,000, plus 76,000. Here 1 lakh 50,000, minus 2,000, plus 56,000. Simplify, 1 lakh 36,000, 68,000, 2 lakhs 4,000 divided by 68. 2 times 2 68s are 136, 2,000. 1 time 1,000, 3 68s are 204, that is 3,000. Up x equal to 2,000, y equal to 1,000, z equal to 3,000. The price per unit of ABC is rupees 2,000, rupees 1,000, rupees 3,000. Thank you, students.